Okay, first step to make a pie chart is you need to sum up all the monthly expenses. So let's please add up 650, 200, blah, 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 all the way down to 150. Comes out to be 2245. You're going to use that figure as a denominator, each one of these individual expenses as a numerator. That's going to make a fraction. You need to turn that into a percentage. So here are the percentages of each individual expense. Now you're ready to draw your circle. Put a dot in the center because this is where the slices are going to radiate out from. We're going to do a little shortcut to help us with the percentages. We're going to put in some lines that we're going to later take out. Okay, that line cuts that circle in half. So it means 50% on one side, 50% on the other side. Let's do it again. So now we have 25% chunks. Let's do it a couple more times. So each one of these is now 12 and a half, 12 and a half. So it looks kind of like a pizza. Each, you have 25% right angles, and then each one of those is split in half. So we're going to go ahead and fill in the pies for our individual expenses. Okay, the rent is 29%. So straight up here would be 25%, so we need 4% out of here. So that's going to be right about there. The next one is going to be about 9%. So that's going to be from here to right about there. And the next one's 3. That's going to be a little one. I'm going to go ahead and finish these up. Okay, now I'm going to take out the guidelines. Those were the red ones. There's your pie chart. Now let's go ahead and label the pie pieces. That's all of them. Looks to me like the most of his money goes to the rent. Second part of the money goes to the car. You notice to get a car payment, car insurance, and gas. That big chunk, that's a pretty big chunk of pie, almost as big as the rent. That's how you make a pie chart. If you want to get fancy, you can go ahead and color code the slices of pie and leave a table up to the side to tell you which color represents which of the utilities. But thank you. That is it. MGZ out.